2020 Ford Explorer. If you want to check the cabin filter on your Explorer, go ahead and open up the glove box, and you're going to need to disconnect this damper first. Just grab the bottom of it here, pull up to hear it click, then you can pull it out this way. Once you have that done, there are stoppers on the glove box that you're going to need to press inwards so the glove box can fold down. Right, there's two of them. Once you do that, the glove box will fold down. So the cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. Now, the way Ford has designed this, they designed this door to where it has these tabs right here, but they like to break off, okay? And you're gonna need to pull them outwards. That's why they have these holes in here, in case these break off. When you go to put the door back, you can put a screw in that will hold it. If you look on this side here, this one looks like somebody's already broken this one off. If you pull the door, it kind of moves already. So I'm gonna need a screw for this side. But anyhow, go ahead and pull it like that. Try not to break it if you can, but they're pretty known to break. The door will just fold down. There's the cabin filter here. We can just snatch it right out of here. Check this guy out. This one's pretty clean. It's a little dirty. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. But there you go. Go ahead and just get your new one or get your old one. Shove it back in there. Order you a filter. Close the door. Again, gonna need a screw for this side. And put a screw in that one just for good measure. Just close this guy back up. And then hook up the damper. There you go.